It looks good.
Fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and look at my hair. Crazy, I already know. But I have a wig just in time for the holidays because sometimes we want to switch it up, okay? And y'all already know me. I'm not playing with no glue. I'm not playing with no lace. And the reason simply is because I lack the skill. And I know my strengths, and that's not my strengths. But I got something new for y'all. And if you know me as well, you know that I love to keep it natural. If I'm wearing a wig or clip-ins or a ponytail, it's gonna be a kinky, coily, natural looking texture. Also because it's easier to blend and easier to finesse when it actually looks like your hair. I'm here with a 3-in-1 wig from HerGivenHair, and if I ever have on clip-ins, wig, stuff like that, is from HerGivenHair. I literally have been wearing their wigs for years. I got this 3-in-1 wig in the mail. I went ahead and unpacked it. I co-washed it. I air dried it. I did a little bit of finger detangling. It smells good. It looks good. And we're ready to install. Well, not really, because I'm going to section off the front of my hair because this is not a full wig. Okay, we need the front of our hair to blend up and through there. And I'm gonna put the back section or the rest of my hair flat so it's out of the way to put under the wig. I'm excited. So I got my hair slicked in this little low bun. If I, you know, was anything like right, I would flat twist or regular twist or braid back here down. But this is a realistic video, okay? This is really how I would try it out. This is my first time putting the wig on my head, my first time seeing how it blends, okay? So I did wash it. I probably could have fluffed it out some more, combed it some more, but I didn't really want to mess it up. You know, I didn't really want to do too much. I wanted to just try it on and we'll figure it out together. My motto is, we're gonna figure it out. That's always how I feel. Even if I feel discouraged or I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, we're gonna figure it out. So the wig I showed you guys has a few combs. It has 4 combs and it has a drawstring in case you want to wear it as a ponytail. I hope I don't hear that torrential downpour happening outside of my home, but if you do, you know what I'm saying, just send me some good vibes. Hope the power stays on. I'm gonna use the combs to help me place it right here. Right there. That feels secure. And then the back comb, tuck it right up under here. And then I'm gonna actually pull on the drawstring just a little bit so it feels a little more secure. Not too much, because I don't want it to be a ponytail. I want it to be full. I think it looks good already. Just kidding. I'm just playing. I'm just gonna fluff it out, try to get a little bit more volume, because y'all know one thing about it, I want some volume. I thought my hair was very dark, but the wig is slightly darker than my hair. So freshly placed on my head, this is the shape that we have. That, I don't want to say heart shape, but you know, this is the shape. Maybe it is a heart shape. Don't quote me. So we have a spray bottle and some gel, because I definitely want to define the front of my hair, make it look more like the actual wig texture, and see how it blends. So my hair needs like a good little wash. It's not, you know, y'all saw it. It's not like, I wouldn't say super clean. It needs something. It needs some TLC, but we're just trying out this wig today, okay? Don't worry about that. So I just put a little bit of water to hydrate the section. Nothing too crazy. And I'm not gonna put any leave-in or anything like that, because my hair is not dry and it actually has quite a bit of leave-in and product already in it. So I'm just gonna wet it to kind of reactivate that, and then add just a little bit, like a nickel-sized amount of this big pop of gel from the Dew, just to wake up these curls. Hope I don't get no flakes, because that would suck right now. I probably should have used the gel that I used to style my hair. That might have made sense. That might have been a better idea, Lex. So, but we're here now, and we're not going back. So this is gonna shrink up anyway, so I'm not like, oh man, gotta make it perfect. I just wanted to add something to it. Better than nothing, you get me? The laziest styling I've ever done in my life. But that's the point of having a wig, right? Like being able to do lazy stuff like that. So I'm just applying some gel to liven up this hair. And one thing about my shrinkage, is gonna show up. So I'm not even worried about that. I'm actually really looking forward to styling this in a ponytail, because I love a drawstring pony moment. Do y'all hear this hurricane outside? I actually have a few drawstring ponies that I like to pull out for special occasions. This ain't doing much, but it's doing something. So I think this half already looks a lot better, but maybe because my hair was so dry, it just looks hydrated. That could easily be it. I do have a coupon code for this wig down below. If you guys decide that you want to check it out, you can save some coins using my code. Y'all know how it is. And I know they always have some holiday deals going on, so keep that in mind as well. This gel smells so good. I haven't used this gel on my channel yet, but I did a wash and go with it before my birthday trip. I went for a quick weekend trip to Jamaica for my birthday, and I did a wash and go, and it looked really good, but the gel was just super crunchy and super hard. So I felt like I would have been better off with a more hydrating product. Like, it was the first day, it looked amazing, but by day 2 and 3, my hair felt like stiff as a board. And in my wash and go journey, I haven't experienced that. So I was like, what is going on? But what I will say, but I didn't record it because I was like rushing. I actually did my wash and go like the same day I had to catch my flight. So I didn't record. And I plan to come back and do another video with the same products. But I was like, my hair is so stiff. It wouldn't really be helpful because I would never want y'all to walk out the house like that. The hair felt like a Brillo pad. So I guess this is more like for slick styles. So I'm not even too sure why I grabbed it. To be completely honest. But I think I felt like it would, because it did define the hair. Like, it did define my hair. So I guess I felt like since my hair is in need of some quick refresh, I guess I thought it would be the best thing to pop out for a quick little woody whoop. So that's what we're doing. And this will be helpful for me to know that I could just like slick the front of my hair down or define the front of my hair, do a quick little twist out, wash and go, whatever, and put the wig on the rest of the hair, and boom. This will be very helpful to know. Oh, that's pretty. This is definitely waking up my hair. All right, so I feel like the blend is already 5 times better since I zhuzhed up the front of my hair. I think the blend is already doing a lot better than when I first plopped this wig on. I'm impressed, but I knew I would be. I sure did. I sure did. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and play with this. I'll be right back. Okay, so as I was in the bathroom, I had this idea. Let's see what happens. I want to part it and sleek a little bit and pin it and see how that looks. I think it's gonna be so cute if I can execute it the way that I'm envisioning it in my brain. So let's see. Let's try to do a straight part, even though I'm terrible at parting. That's not straight. That'll do. So the vision is like, I wonder if I should sleek it to here. Yeah, that's cute. Hopefully. So I'm gonna add a little bit more gel right on top. Right on top. A little bit more gel right at the part. Styling your hair is actually fun when you don't have to style all of it. Like, I'm feeling like, okay, this will take me all of 10 minutes and I'm back in business. Especially from that puff that I had when the video first began. Like, come on. Then we're gonna get some bobby pins. I have these really big, thick ones from Scoonchy. I really like this, but more importantly, I like how natural it looks. Like, it looks seamless between my hair and the wig and the front of my hair and the wig. For a quick little 10 minutes something, impressed. Y'all will definitely see this wig time and time again. I have HerGivenHair wigs that I have been wearing since 2, 3, 4 years ago. Ponytails, clip-ins that I still keep in my little wig drawer. Y'all know the drawer I'm talking about, I hope. Let me know what y'all think, because I feel like even as my hair is drying and kind of shrinking up and shaping up, it looks even better. I keep looking in the mirror like, wow. And I really love this little like part thing because it's not super slick. It's very believable, which we love. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up on your way out, and shout out to HerGivenHair. Let me give y'all some close-ups because you deserve. The gel has my hair looking extra shiny, which is a good thing, but I feel that's the only difference between my hair and the wig hair, which it should dry, you know what I'm saying, over the next like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It looks good. From the front right here, face to face, you would never know this was a wig. Let me back up. From the front, face to face, you would never know this was not my hair. And that's the point. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.